Okay, we have some ground venison and some ground beef. I'm using 3.5 pounds of venison and 1.5 pounds of 97.3 ground beef. And here we have our seasoning. We have a packet of seasoning and a packet of cure that will be mixed into this meat. And right now we're just gonna get the meat mixed up real good together. Also, the mix calls for 1 cup of water, which we'll add when we start adding the seasoning. Some of the ground venison is still a little bit frozen, but it'll work out. Now let's speed it up a little bit. Well, I believe the hamburger meat and the venison is mixed together real well. Now let's start adding our seasonings. And the seasoning I'm using is Mossy Oak's whiskey pepper seasoning. And now we're adding the cure. And this mix contains enough seasoning and cure to do 5 pounds of meat. This is pre-mixed. You just dump it into 5 pounds and you'll have 1 cup of water to add to it. All of this is pre-mixed and you don't have to worry about measuring it out other than measuring out exactly 5 pounds of meat. Now you want to make sure you get all of that mixed really well. About 5 minutes of mixing. Just keep mixing until it's really tacky and you can make a patty and it'll stick to your hand. Okay, we're going to put tinfoil over this and place it in the refrigerator until the next day. We are going to be using Mossy Oak's Jerky Gun Jr., which I believe Wesson puts it out. Now, I'm not affiliated with them or anything. I purchased this at Wally World along with the seasoning. So let me tell you what you get in this package. Now this item helps you pack the meat into the tube. This one you use to make sausage links. And you have two other, they're dual tips. One for making snack sticks and the other one making 2 rows of jerky. Now, sometime back I downsized my equipment and figured this would be all I need to make some jerky and sausage links. Okay, I have my metal trays out. Now, this one here I like the best because it's got small square holes. The others, they work all right, but you just got to place it on there, making sure it don't fall through the wider gaps. So let's get our meat ready to go in the jerky gun. We're going to make small meatballs so they'll fit down in that tube of the gun a lot easier. Well, we start by making some small meatballs and let's speed it up. Now I need to arrange everything so I can put a tray over here so we can start loading the tray. Now we'll load that jerky gun up, get them meatballs inside of it, and get it ready to start laying out some jerky strips. Now we'll tamp it down in there, try to get the air out of it. And this video was a fail. No, literally, I fell. It was snow on the ground. I lost these three of these trays, and I had to come back in and do some more. I pulled a hamstring. I tell you what, it's rough on an old man, especially when he falls. Yeah, and we've had snow on the ground for about a week so far. It's been really cold here, and I thought, I can go out here. It's not that bad. I was in and out, and then all of a sudden, I lost traction and I went down. So, on a scale of 1 to 10 of me getting around is about a 3. So, it's slow moving, and it was probably a 5.0 on the Richter scale. So, here in a little bit, we'll show the remaking of the other trays of jerky and snack stick. Okay, perfect. We're running about 160 degrees. We're going to do this between 100 and 175 probably. Okay, I'm going to put the top shelf in there, or rack. That way I can set a rack of jerky up there too. Okay, we went with the round snack sticks this time. We'll get that on there and we'll get them out there to put on that smoker. Okay, we got the snack sticks on the bottom and jerky on the top rack. We'll take a look at them when they're done. Now, these have appeared to turn out pretty good. As you notice, I have more snack sticks than I do the jerky, the flat. The jerky isn't very wide. It's flat, but it's not very wide and not very thick. So it'll get done quicker than the snack sticks. Well, between the round snack sticks and the flat jerky looking, uh, I prefer the round snack sticks. Hey, they're good. All of it's good. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.